Hey Nathan, come get the cell phone. Come get it.
We're learning with Leapfrog. Bye-bye.
Oh yeah. Come on. Say no, I only do that when you're not recording. What are you gonna do? You're gonna go get it. Gonna go get it? Gonna go call someone? Say, Mom, I'm never gonna do what you want on camera. It's just not gonna happen. No. Where's Buster? Maybe Buster will motivate. Buster! Yeah! There's your dump truck. Come get it. Oh, okay, you did it. You don't want to get the telephone? Oh, that was so mean. That was so mean. But I just wanted to show Grammy what you could do. Oh, here we go. Oh, is that better? Is that better? You made it make noise. Good job. Okay, can you wave bye-bye to Grammy? Bye-bye.